country in our Dodge Ram 3500 pulling our open range fifth wheel. Hi guys, nice to see you again. Want to check the inside of my trailer? Okay. So, this is the couch where you can chill and watch TV. The TV's hooked up because we're not on our trip yet. This is the office where my dad works. He can work because we have internet from the Starlink. This is my bed. Has a very sketchy ladder to get up to it. And it's like a loft. And it's a little bit sketchy because there's no handle here. So, yeah, not the first time any of us has fallen off it. This is the table. We can put this up, and there's a little bars that go under it to hold it up. Chairs, yeah. No, your normal table. This is the kitchen. This is the stove, microwave, fridge, cabinet. But that's the kitchen. Then up here is the bathroom. Yeah, a foot toilet, water, shower. This is my mom and dad's bed. This is where they sleep. Cabinets. And that's basically all. Bye, guys. Our trailer's pretty empty right now because we haven't set it up. But pretty soon, we're gonna have enough stuff in here to last us 7 weeks. We're filling up the tank of the trailer because some of the places we do doesn't have hookups for water. This is how we do it. So we turn those arrows all facing this way. And then when we turn the hose on, it will spray water into the tank and it will fill up. We spent days and days packing up our trailer for the 7-week trip. We definitely got our steps in. Now that we're all packed up and the trailer's hooked up to the truck, we're ready to go. So subscribe to my YouTube channel at Cody's American Adventure.